Have you ever pondered what happens to your body when you eat dragon fruit every day? Yes, that vibrant, spiky fruit that looks like it comes straight out of a fantasy world. But this exotic treat isn't just a feast for the eyes. It's packed with a treasure trove of health benefits that can transform your body in surprising ways. Imagine a fruit that's not only delicious, but also a secret weapon for your well-being. Stay tuned as we unravel the effects of this exotic fruit on your body. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is more than just its Instagram-worthy appeal. This vibrant, exotic fruit is a powerhouse of nutrition. And it's about time we delve into what makes it so special. Dragon fruit is high in fiber. Why is that important, you ask? Well, fiber aids in digestion, helps control blood sugar levels, and can even assist in weight management. Moreover, dragon fruit is rich in antioxidants. These little warriors fight off free radicals, those harmful molecules that can lead to chronic diseases and aging. But that's not all. Dragon fruit is also packed with vitamin C, a vital nutrient that strengthens the immune system, promotes skin health, and enhances iron absorption. In essence, dragon fruit is a trifecta of fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, all of which contribute to your overall health and wellness. Now, imagine feeding your body with these nutrients every day. So, what exactly happens when dragon fruit becomes a part of your daily diet? Let's delve into this, shall we? First off, dragon fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients that can give your immune system a significant boost. Packed with vitamin C, this vibrant fruit can help your body ward off illnesses and infections, keeping you fit and healthy. Next, it aids in digestion. Thanks to its high fiber content, consuming dragon fruit regularly can help regulate your bowel movements, leading to a more comfortable and efficient digestive process. Moving on, let's talk about gut health. Dragon fruit is rich in prebiotics, which are essentially food for the good bacteria in your gut. These beneficial microbes play a vital role in everything from digestion to mood regulation. By feeding them with dragon fruit, you're promoting a healthier, happier gut. Now, if you're looking to maintain a healthy weight, dragon fruit could be your new best friend. It's low in calories, yet high in fiber, making it a satisfying snack that can keep you feeling full without piling on the pounds. Lastly, let's not forget about skin health. The antioxidants present in dragon fruit fight against free radicals, which are the main culprits behind premature aging. So not only does it nourish your body from the inside, but it also lends a hand in keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Sounds amazing, right? But like with everything else, moderation is key. Incorporating dragon fruit into your daily diet certainly seems beneficial. Let's do a quick recap of the dragon fruit's nutritional prowess and its impressive impacts on our bodies. Packed with a medley of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, dragon fruit boasts a nutritional profile that's hard to beat. When consumed regularly, this exotic fruit can help fortify your immune system, promote gut health, and even aid in maintaining healthy skin. But remember, the key here is balance. While dragon fruit is undeniably nutrient-dense, it's not a magic bullet. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables is still the best way to ensure you're getting a well-rounded mix of nutrients. And as with anything, moderation is key. Overindulgence can lead to an excess of certain nutrients, which can throw off your body's delicate balance. So, next time you see a dragon fruit, you know it's not just a pretty face, but a powerhouse of nutrients.